Hey guys, I'm going to be renting out the office and selling all the electronics. So all of that stuff there, most of that stuff there, all of this stuff, that's I forget what they call that. It was $9,000. Some tools, some slides, some more electronics. Some TVs, one works, two, but there's three 75-inch touch screens. I'll show you another one in a minute. This stuff's all got to go. There's a bunch of stuff over there, electronics and stuff. There's a couple of older Macs down there. Let's go around here. This is the actual office. It's about 140 square foot. Everything in there goes with the office. Bunch of TV boards, some good screens, cables, all kinds of stuff. Computer. These guys monitor for the camera. It's a bit of a mess right now because I've been bloody trying to get out of here. Tools. There's some stuff for sale up there. Well, everything's for sale, you know what I mean? More screens, more TV boards, LEDs. That TV will probably go, some of the camera monitor. I will be taking the Comcast box with me. It's about 140 square foot. It's 20 foot long by about 7 foot. You'll get a waiting room. There's some of the other offices here. This is a waiting room. This goes with it. This is one of those 75-inch touch screens, just like on TV that they use. Right now it's just hooked up to a little laptop right now, but let me see if I can change it here. We can change the input to the actual unit, and I use it a lot for Google Earth and all that. It's a clear touch. These things were $30,000 each when we installed them in TV stations. So I just kind of use them like that. And let's see over here. Bring up part of this menu. You can make a, say we want to go all across country. So all the equipment, all of that stuff is $2,100. The office, the office is $350 a month, about 140 square foot. You gotta take the inventory. You gotta take oh, that computer down there goes with it as well. But give me a call, 303-396-7768. Thanks, guys. I'll be leaving the first week of September.